In today's video, I'll show you guys Bloons TD6 save game location. Press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data folder and double click on local low. Scroll down and find Ninja Kiwi and Bloons TD6 random numbers link production current, and this is where all of your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys how to back up your game progress. Just go back, copy this Bloons TD6 and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore your game progress just by copy and paste it in this location and replace the files in the destination, and your game progress will be back. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.